guys, I will unbox again today. So, let's see. I'm just bored. It's raining outside. Very bad quality. This is for the hair. For the hair again. Diba? Ganyan yan. Clip. Only this? This is also for the hair. We will make like this sample. Ganyan. Yan. Narito. Ay, design. Broken? Is this? It's broken. Ay, it's broken ba? Oh shit. It's broken. Oh. Na-press siguro to. Look for the hair also. Ganyan na. Yeah. Oh, all for the hair. For the hair again. For the hair again. When you make like that, and then, ganyan na. Ganyan. Ganyan. Diba? This. It's big. My goodness. I will try later. What is this? This. I'm disappointed with this one. I bought it €7, you know. It should be like this. Why this is small also? Yeah, should be like this. Ayan. Because I have like this color red. I will look. Okay. And let's see what is this one. Ta-da! Ouch. Ouch. You know, I really bought this one for TikTok. This is, it arrived very late. It should be here August 14, but it arrives August 30. Very late. I want to make a video from this one. I was 19 with a white dress when you tell me I'm your princess. So I played right away with your fantasy. So sit side. If I don't speak, we don't fight. I look in the mirror and I can't believe I forgot I was a bad bitch. Tragic. Breaking all the rules. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.